AliExpress, is it worth saving that money? Is it worth waiting for the post to arrive? Well, let's have a look at this video and we'll find out. Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's been a long while. I'm glad you can be out with Jack and Airbrush Ways. Of course, we've amalgamated the two channels together, so if you're looking for the airbrush stuff, it's all on the one page now. Okay, so for the very first time in a long while, I've just received a parcel, and this has come from AliExpress. It's a set of riding fog lights, driving lamps, whatever you want to, running lights, whatever you want to call them. AliExpress, it's cost me 30 quid, 30 euro altogether. That's shipping, everything else. It's took a long while to get here. I ordered these in November. It's now, I think, the 13th of January, or thereabouts. So they've just got here. I'm going to unwrap it with you, unbox it, show you what's here. Okay, so come along for the ride. Let's have a look at this package. Let's see what's inside. It's not been opened at all yet, so you're the first to see it, just like me. Hopefully it's not broken. All right, let's have a look. Okay, so here's the package. I've scrubbed my name out just in case all the fans want to come round to see where I live. Let's open it up. Pair of scissors. We'll open it up and we'll see exactly what we've got in this long overdue package. No. Packy bag. This says Moto the Fish LED motor light, something or other. And we'll get this open as well. Okay. Two yellow covers, light covers, and one move that out of the way. So switch, wired switch with a Allen key, so that's for the bars, handlebars, or wherever you want to put it. And we'll have a look at that in a minute. Lights. What comes in the bag? Now we have two bolts, Allen head bolts, one I don't know if that's plastic or aluminium, plastic coated, one of the brackets, and okay. Now, fairly light, So that's screwed on there, so we can adjust that ever so slightly, a mil or so that way. That screw opens up and this will shift the bracket slightly. That obviously sits on that side, so your bar has got to be bigger than that, which I didn't see when I bought this, but anyway, it's fastened at the back there with a screw, a threaded cap onto two wires, red and a black. Now, what does it say? Anything on here? Model number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the model number 9 LEDs. And that's a model number for whatever they are, which are no good to me. And that's all that's in that one. Presuming it's going to be exactly the same in this. Yeah, exactly the same. In fact, I'll get it out just to make sure that the thing isn't broken. Seems alright. So, 2 boxes with a running light, driving light, whatever you want to call it. It says Motor de Fish LED Moto Light, light your way home. No instructions. This thing, I bought it with these because, first off, I don't mind the yellow lights. It's not going to worry me at all. I don't even know whether this is going to fit right or not, but the idea would be that I would put that on there, which would protect the glass if it did get a stone chip or anything on it. And that's what I'm going to put on eventually, to have a look to see if it works, and if not, then okay, we don't use those. But that was the idea of buying those. It's like a rubber sleeve really, with a piece of yellow plastic on the inside. These aren't for anything in particular other than letting people see me when I'm driving along. So that's the lights. I'll get to putting it all together and seeing if we can get some kind of power out of it. Alright, speak to you soon. Bye.